Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. Today's video is going to be another little unboxing from Ms. BoxyCharm for this is May BoxyCharm. Yeah, this is the May one. I just got it like 2 days ago. So this whole shipping and stuff that's going on is taking a toll. I have literally like 4 packages now that still ain't on the way, and I ordered something in the end of April, and then it's a mess. So this is what the box looks like. It came with the card this month, thank God, and this month is BoxyCharm Mother Nature, packaged with gloves and love. That's cool. So that's what that looks like, and it comes with it has like all the little, you can't even see, it has all the little information that I need. Okay, so first we'll just start off with what comes inside Miss BoxyCharm. So it has all this. So first, I'm gonna set this down. Okay, so first thing is going to be this. It says Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon. From, I don't even know how to pronounce that. Let's see, Trestique Cover and Conceal Crayon. Coverage and correction to a new level. So that's this one. Let's open her up. And I got the shade Porcelain. So I'm not sure if that's my shade because I am... That's cool. It looks like, oh, well, here, that's what it looks like. Ooh, and it's magnetic. That's cool. So here, we'll do a little swatch right here. That might work. That's pretty cool. Does it twist? Oh, and it twists up. So if you need more. Okay, so we'll definitely be using this today. And this retails for 24 bucks. So that's first product. Oh dang. So then the next thing is going to be this Alum's Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. And this is $59. So I like to open this stuff. Well, it's cool. It's got a little seal there. So you can break it so you know that you're the first one to touch it. And I'll just take one out. This is what it looks like. Just a little pad. It smells good. I like their stuff. Their stuff smells pretty good. Okay. So yeah, it does have any instructions. Okay, so it says these resurfacing facial pads act as a very effective yet gentle exfoliator. Girl, we know we need that. So that's that. And this is $59. Next thing is going to be this. This is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. So basically, you could take your makeup off with this. And this is a gentle no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess foil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. And this is $18. So I'm gonna try this out. Set this there. It's cute. It comes in a cute little bottle. I like to smell things. Oh, that's cool. I like this little pumpski. Okay, that's cool. I like the little pump. So when you have your little pads, you go. That's cool. Okay. That's cute. And then next is going to be this. It's called, let's see, Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow. Ease to Wear Eyeshadow palette. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. That's our little neutral little pink shades. And this is $35. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shades. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are mattes, and the other are sort of like a, I don't know, not a shimmer, but like a little bit of a metallic. These two, and maybe this one, I don't know. But that's what she looks like. It comes with a little mirror too. And the mirror has a little plastic. Set that there. Some bubble wrap. And then last but not least is going to be this Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. And it has plastic over it, so yes, I'm strong enough to take that off. So we'll do a little swatch. That looks nice. It's RP $21. Okay, so cool. So we have lip gloss, liquid lipstick, concealer, micellar water, exfoliator, and an eyeshadow palette. And I don't know all the total of all this, so I'll just have the total just here, whatever. And yeah, so I guess what we can do is, maybe I'll start with eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows really quickly. Then we'll do eyes, and then we'll add some concealer. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and the brows are done. So we're gonna go ahead and start with some concealer to what was it called? Carve them out. So we're going to do that. I have my little brush right here that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this one. Well, just the Lexi 245, and I'm just gonna take this and just crayon. See if this does anything. Overall, this concealer so far, it's pretty creamy. A little bit more. We're gonna use this as our base also. All right, so that's one eye done. I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer on the other one really quickly, and then we'll be right back to do our Little Miss eyeshadow. Okay, so I just did this brow really quickly off camera, not the brow, the concealer, and we're gonna go ahead and put on Miss eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take this E27 brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a little pink vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. I feel like that's a little bit too dark. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this shade right here, Lace. Yeah, Lace. And just put this all over. Just sort of to set all of that concealer down that I just put. Okay, so that shade, the first shade, Lace, this one is all over the eyes. Just like that. I'm gonna set this brush aside. I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna take this smaller brush, E37 brush, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna tap into Dust, the sort of like the pinkish shade. That'll be like a pretty blush shade, and we're just gonna start putting it down here. That's definitely pigmented. Putting it there. Slightly blend it. I'm just sort of flicking it out. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take this shade, same brush that I had used before, and just do it a little bit on the edges. Just like that. Okay, gonna do that to the other eye. All right, so that's both eyes done with the first two shades, Lace and Dusk. Next, we're gonna take another little tiny brush also. I'm gonna take this, what is this? This is another Luxie 111 brush, and I'm gonna take it in to Miss Blush, because that's a little bit more of a deeper than that other pink shade. And just place it here. Maybe it's not that deeper. It's just not really doing as much. Thought it was a little bit deeper. Let's see. I thought it was darker, but it's not. So I'm gonna take this one, Bare, this shade right here, same little brush, and sort of start tapping it there. Sort of just made it turn into a little bit of a brown. Not a big fan of that one. Just taking this brush just so that it can be slightly blended a little bit more. I'm tapping this into dusk, the dusk shade, the lighter pink one. Just getting it heavily on the brush, and I'm just tapping that all over the lid. Okay, so I'm gonna take this sort of shimmer shade. It's, what is it? Flaxen. And I'm just gonna put it not that big of a fan of it. I do have to say this stuff works pretty well. Like, I had that stuff on my hand from earlier, takes it away, and now I just got rid of it off my finger. And I had the brow pomade right there on my hand, and now it's gone. So that little micellar water works great. I'm gonna try to take this shade, this lighter shade right here. This one is Sheen. Let's see if it is a sheen of shade. And try to put this in the inner corner. And it's in the inner corner, and then a little bit above the brow bone. Like that, and then take this one, just blush it out a little bit. Blush it out, blend it out. All right, so that is sort of the eye look. I'm gonna come back with some foundation on so we can do this concealer, so see how this works as an, I guess, under eye concealer. And yeah, so we'll be right back with that. Okay, so we're back. I just put a light little layer of foundation on. Anywho, so we are gonna go ahead and use Miss Concealer here. Let me just scoot all this stuff around and put her underneath my eyes and a little forehead here, and then yeah. Okay, so let's see. I like this so far. It's like really smooth and creamy. It's like coloring. I feel like I'm coloring right now. I do not know how to draw a straight line. Okay, so we're gonna try to blend this out. I'm gonna use the other side of the sponge, and we'll see how this. It's nice because it's like a lighter consistency, so it's not like too light, and it's just sort of making me look a little bit shiny. I don't know how to explain it. So we're gonna go ahead and put on some powder. I'm gonna use some of the KKW Beauty powder because I actually liked it from the last time that I used it. Okay, I'm just gonna tap the whole top of the sponge into it, and then go in with the under eye really quickly. Just like that. I'm gonna do the other eye now. the forehead. And the nose and mirror. And then I'm just gonna go over everything with whatever little bit of powder I have left because I don't need that much powder. That's what I'm sort of seeing, is that I tend to get a little bit more drier when I use more powder. All right, so there is that. Right, so I just put on some lashes and mascara and all that good stuff. And now the last thing is to put on the Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. Oh, and this, I didn't even say the shade. The shade's Fancy. So I was trying to see if I have any lip liners that match, and I don't. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this bitch right on. Okay, so here we go. All right, so this lip sort of doesn't really go. You could have did like more of a neutral sort of color, or like even more of a berry color. But this is a little bit too like corally. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, overall, that is going to be the look with this month's BoxyCharm. We had the, what is it, Studio Makeup Eyeshadow Palette. I wouldn't recommend it. You can get so much more stuff with, you know, with your money. I definitely would recommend this, or even a bottle like this, because this little bottle is cool. Like, you push it down and it gives you the product, and I have been using it a lot so far, just doing this video. Next thing is the concealer. I like the concealer. It's not like too heavy for me. It's like, it's there. It's letting my skin breathe, I guess. The lip, where did it go? I just had it. The liquid lipstick. It's a nice shade. It's just not the shade for this makeup. Like, this looks okay by itself, but with this, or maybe like a different eye. I don't know. It looks nice, but I probably won't. I could be using it. I don't know. And then the last thing, there's only one more thing, right? Is this. And I'm definitely going to be using these. I'm about to use these when I take this off. And yeah, that is the video. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.